Okay, so I bought the ECHOGEAR tabletop TV stand for up to a 77-inch TV. I have a Vizio 65-inch. So, whoops. So at first, this contraption right here, this up here comes in here. So what I did is I had to unscrew these and flip it up here and then screw them. Now in the video that they have black screws, and this one came with silver screws. It comes with an array of different ones for, I guess, for every different TV to put it on your TV, I suppose. So now I'm doing the stands, which is for the M4 15 millimeter. And these are with, it looks like a half a circle on the top a little bit compared to the other black ones that came, and it's flat. It also comes with a hex key that you can use it. You do need a screwdriver, which mine is very, very rusty, but it got the job done. So now I'm going to position them on there. I'll be back. Okay, so I have them on there. I do recommend that if you are going to do it, to have the TV laying completely flat, but since I'm a little lazy right now, I'm already on the floor, it's putting pressure on it, so I have to, I guess, maybe put it on a little bit, put some strength into it to get the screw in, but it's 4 on this side and 4 on this side. I'll be back. Okay, so another note is that I have it on the lowest setting. You do have quite a bit. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to bring them up. It is quite a bit to get higher, but if you can see, that's how much higher it's going to be from the bottom up. I'm going to put the TV up and I'll be right back. Okay, so yes, all that is from Christmas. Now, I have, it looks like a TV with feet, honestly. And I believe it holds it really well. My TV is 65. I mean, it's not 77 inches, but it's big enough. And it's sturdy. Those right there, I can't get them out. My husband put them on too tight, so I have to wait for him to get home for me to do it. But I'm going to put it up and so you can see how high it is. But as you can see, it's pretty high. I'm going to get a ruler. Hold on. Okay, so it's about 12.
It holds my TV up perfectly, as you can see. Really good. I love it. It's a 65-inch too. Great stand, and it holds my